Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. I'm a pharmacist. On this channel, I talk about living simple, healthy lifestyle. That's my goal. Before I continue, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple dinner or lunch meal. It is budget friendly and it contains a lot of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. I'll leave in the description below the ingredient, step by step, how to prepare this meal. So let's get started. I will start with my chicken by marinated in the airtight bowl. I will wash and cut them into medium pieces. I will add my lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. After I add all this stuff to the chicken, I will cover and seal it in my airtight bowl. I will shake it so that everything goes into the chicken. You can leave it for about an hour, or you can do it overnight. I normally do this overnight while I'm preparing my beans also for overnight. While I'm leaving the chicken, I will start cooking my rice and my beans. When it comes to the rice, I'm using a brown rice. So I wash it first, then I put it on the fire. Then I will let it stay on the fire for about 30 to 45 minutes. It comes out really good. For my beans, I cook it differently because if you don't cook it like that, you get a lot of gas in your stomach and it's very embarrassing. So a lot of people don't like cooking with beans. So I start a day before I cook. So I soak it in water the night before. Then when I wake up in the morning, I pour the water on top of it. Then I'll put another order again and I'll wash it with water again and pour it away. I'm trying to take some of the chemicals that make us gassy from it. Then I'll put it on the fire and I'll let it boil. When it starts boiling so hard, I'll pour the water again from it and I'll wash the beans again. Then I'll finally put it on fire to let it boil to become soft. When you cook the beans that way, it helps you so that you wouldn't get gassy from it a lot. I know a lot of people don't like beans. Beans is very good for us. It has a lot of fiber, but because of its nature, a lot of people don't like cooking it. So you can cook it this way to avoid the gassy part from it. I am cooking everything. I will start chopping my lettuce, green pepper, tomatoes, and get my avocado ready also. Now I'm going to put my marinated chicken in the oven to let it bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. I want my green pepper to be soft a little bit, so I'll put it in a microwave and let it cook for about 3 minutes. For about 45 minutes, everything is done. So let's put it together. On here, I have my half cup of cooked brown rice, a great source of carbohydrate and fiber. I have my chopped baked chicken, a great source of protein. A cooked beans, a great source of protein, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Chopped green pepper, avocado, lettuce, tomatoes, a great source of fiber, healthy fat, vitamins, and minerals. In a bowl, I will sample them. I'll put my lettuce, my rice on the side, my beans, then I'll add chicken, tomatoes, green pepper, avocado. Then voila, we are ready to enjoy this food. Look at how it looks. It looks very, very nice and it tastes good very well. Go and try with your family so that you can stay healthy. When you try this meal, please make sure you take a picture and share with me on my social media like Instagram, and I will really, really love it. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, tell a friend, like, and give it a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. God bless you and thanks for watching.